and that success was contingent on the defendant winning ongoing vote counts or litigation in Arizona, Georgia, and Wisconsin. Within a week of that assessment, the defendant lost in Arizona, meaning he had lost the election. G. State legislators and officials, many of whom...
All right, take a pause here from listening to the indictment being read, which is amazing. What is today, August 2nd? Thursday? Third? Yeah. Good God. And we've been here for several days, cleaning, sanding, prepping to really finish the ceiling. And this is going to be the day where we stain it. Heg is doing the very last masking of the logs. And so this is a sort of a before picture. This is of everything. Never satisfied with all of it, with all the details, but it will be hard to see from the floor. So hopefully this is going to turn out looking pretty good. But I'll do another video right afterwards. Okay? And this is going to be painted, we've decided. We've done some test colors, 2 test colors, neither of which we have liked. So we don't actually have a date or time period of when we're going to get this one done. But it'll be okay because we'll always have easy access to it because of the floor. It's funny doing these inserts at the end. You know, I improved on it. I got sort of better and more fastidious about it. And you can see a kind of range of quality from I know where I started and I know where I ended. Which annoys me probably more than anyone else. And I decided to, because of some fairly large gaps, I did use some epoxy wood to go in and tighten up the profiles even further. Not sure if that was the right thing to do, but it's done. I don't think I'm gonna do. I could go crazy and with that project and get turn it into several days of really precise work. I think I'm done with it though, except for some final sanding. All right, I'll stop.